Hey guys, how you doing? This is Rich from Rich TV Live. So Taat has some huge news. I'm gonna break down the news a little bit later for you guys. I got to do an interview with a company really soon here, so stay tuned to that. But what I wanted to do is I want to give you guys the U.S. symbol for Taat. MOLOF is the U.S. symbol for Taat Lifestyle and Wellness. And I brought you this pick first. It's an IPO that has been screaming up. It hit $1.17 earlier this week in Canada. They just got their US symbol, MOLOF, which I told you guys was the US symbol, but it was halted. It just started trading today. It's traded about 10,000 shares. It's up like 118%. Keep it on your watch list. Keep it on your radar. TAT, Lifestyle and Wellness USA symbol, is now open for business for Americans to buy. MOLOF, Mary, Oscar, Larry, Oscar, Frank, TAT, Lifestyles and Wellness. They had big news. I'll come back in a little bit and tell you guys about their news, but I think it's huge. Peace.